Experiencing a black screen or your Tesla Model 3 not turning on? This video addresses the common causes and solutions, focusing on the 12-volt auxiliary battery, which powers essential systems. We'll cover troubleshooting steps, DIY fixes, and when to seek professional help. This guide reflects the latest information as of January 11th, 2026, incorporating Tesla's updates and owner experiences. Remember, safety is paramount, so avoid repairs beyond your skill level. Unlike gasoline cars, the Model 3 relies on a 12-volt battery to boot up its systems. If it drains typically below 10 volts, you might encounter a black screen or unresponsive touchscreen. Common causes include prolonged inactivity, parasitic draws from faulty modules or aftermarket accessories, and software glitches. Symptoms include inability to open doors and a complete lack of startup. Before diving into hardware repairs, start with basic checks. Use a multimeter to test the 12-volt battery voltage, which should ideally be above 12.6 volts when fully charged. If the battery voltage is low, attempt a software reset. Hold the brake pedal and press both steering wheel buttons simultaneously for 30 seconds. This forces a complete reboot of the vehicle's systems and can often resolve temporary glitches. Finally, make sure your Tesla has the latest over-the-air software update installed. These updates frequently include important improvements to power management and battery health monitoring that can prevent or resolve many of these issues. To prevent future 12-volt battery issues in your Tesla Model 3, make it a habit to drive the vehicle regularly. This keeps the auxiliary battery charged from the main battery and prevents voltage drops that can lead to black screens or startup failures. Alternatively, activate Tesla's camp mode when the vehicle will be parked for extended periods. This maintains the 12 volts battery charge and monitors system health. Avoid leaving aftermarket accessories plugged in, as they can cause parasitic draws that drain the 12-volt battery over time. Even small draws from devices like phone chargers can lead to complete discharge. Regularly check your 12-volt battery health through the Tesla app. Look for the battery health section to monitor energy retention and get maintenance alerts. This is especially important for older Model 3s from pre-2022 with AGM batteries that degrade faster than newer lithium-ion types. For a closer look at battery components, AGM batteries have lead plates, separators, and safety valves that can wear out over time. Understanding these parts helps you appreciate why regular maintenance is crucial. Looking ahead to 2026, Tesla's AI-powered vehicle health monitoring uses your driving data to predict 12-volt battery failures before they occur. This allows for proactive maintenance scheduling through the app, reducing unexpected downtime. Stay informed about Tesla's over-the-air updates, which often address power management and 12-volt battery health. In late 2025, V12.5.1 included diagnostics for 12-volt battery health and automated alerts via the Tesla app. Check if your vehicle was affected by the 2024 recall for faulty power modules that could lead to 12-volt battery drainage. If so, ensure the module has been replaced free of charge by Tesla. Looking ahead, Tesla's upcoming Model 3 refresh expected in 2027 will feature solid-state 12-volt batteries with extended lifespan, potentially eliminating drain issues. Expert predictions indicate a significant drop in no-power complaints by 2030 due to these advancements. Experts recommend prioritizing software updates and proactive battery health monitoring to minimize the risk of encountering these issues. For the latest Tesla service bulletins, visit tesla.com/service.